So welcome to a fresh new episode of Tech Paradise, and in today's video we are going to talk about 10 WhatsApp tricks which are pretty amazing. And I bet you that after watching this video you're going to try at least one of the tricks for sure. So with that being said, let's get started. A lot of people are unaware about this new WhatsApp feature that they can delete messages from everyone even after 12 hours of sending it. And some users are able to delete it up to 48 hours. Earlier it was only limited to 1 hour and 8 minutes, but now you can delete it up to 48 hours. Just make sure you are having the latest version of WhatsApp application. This WhatsApp trick is for iOS users, so if you want to see messages of any chat without actually seeing it or without showing them the blue tick, then you can simply press and hold on that chat and you can see messages without officially seeing it. A lot of people are unaware about this new WhatsApp update that they can hide their WhatsApp profile picture and WhatsApp last seen from someone specific. All you will need to do is to select the contact from whom you want to hide your profile picture or last seen under privacy settings. Earlier it was impossible to do without deleting the contacts, but now it's so easy. A lot of WhatsApp users prefer having two WhatsApp accounts, maybe to distinguish between their official and personal WhatsApp, but they end up slowing their device too much by using applications like parallel space or by cloning the application. What you can do is to download WhatsApp Business, which is an official application of WhatsApp, and it works in the same way like regular WhatsApp. If you ever want to find out whom you chat the most on WhatsApp, then simply go to Settings, then Storage and Data Settings. Under this, click on Manage Storage. The leaderboard there will be the one whom you talk the most over WhatsApp. We all know that WhatsApp changes the quality of image if you are sending it to someone, if you are setting up a DP, even if you are uploading a status. So if you are fed up with this low quality conversion of WhatsApp, then simply go to Settings. Under that, go to Storage and Data Settings, and in this section you will see an option named Media Upload Quality. Just click on that and select Best Quality option and this problem will be fixed. A lot of you guys are unaware of this WhatsApp feature of sending media, that you can simply copy any image from browser and you can paste it directly into the chat and you can send the image as a media file. This method is about restoring a deleted message or media on WhatsApp. So Android users can simply download Restory application from the link given below in the video's description, and iOS users can refer to the video whose link is also given in the description. If your parents ask for your phone and you are afraid if they open their WhatsApp, to save yourself from a situation like this, you can enable WhatsApp inbuilt fingerprint Face ID lock by going into the privacy settings. Also, you can archive all the chats of WhatsApp, but make sure you have enabled this setting so even with new messages, chats will stay in archive only. If you ever want to have any WhatsApp status video onto your phone's gallery, then instead of asking it or screen recording it, you can simply use Status Saver application, but this can only be done on Android devices. Also, the link of free version of Status Savers are given below in the video's description. As we always give a bonus trick in all of our tricks videos, so this time we are going to talk about that how you can see someone's hidden WhatsApp last seen. All you will need to do is to download WhatsApp Tracker application from the link given below in the video's description and enter the contact whom you want to track. Now whenever the person will come online, you will get notified about it. So that's all for now. I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and if you guys are having any question about this video, then drop a comment in the comment section, and if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharon and I will catch you in the next one.
Tequila sunrise.